all my indoor, my panels inside were, and my door panel on the passenger side was opened up, removed. Like they pried in there to look for something or put something in there. I don't know what it was, but none of my work was being performed or in my inside of my inner vehicle, and let alone in the backside for them to have to go into my passenger seat. Now my tire rail thing weren't replaced. Was They weren't replaced. However they did that, that fell off. Um, but it went in for the radiator after being inspected by H&S Auto Care, and the inspector, after they evaluated and assessed the entire vehicle and everything that was going on with it. That was 2.5 weeks prior to going to Five Star Auto. Then all of a sudden, lo and behold, Five Star Auto Care states that, oh, you have a water pump issue. Oh, you have your timing is messed up. But I'm trying to figure out, why was you so adamant with keeping the vehicle and the inspector haven't even come out? I could have just kept replenishing the radiator with Radiator. It's been costly, but I've been doing it. But they had it, and then after the 72 hours was up, then the inspector finally went out as they were trying to work the clock and figure out what type of stuff they could do, and perhaps going inside of my vehicle, transferring parts or loosening up certain things to where when the inspector come in, because as Nick said, I'm a master at this warranty stuff, but you steady finding things wrong. But what's so messed up about it is that Five Star Auto and the warranty inspector that went out and they assessed everything, and they did not come up with that there was a water pump needed, there was timing needed, none of that. It's my hood, and when I got my vehicle back on 26, they didn't even put the cover case over the engine. Like, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, these are things that make like, I am sound-minded. I am highly intelligent, highly educated, and my comprehension is well above average. I study law, so I'm very analytical. It's not an overthink. It's but being blessed with the spirit of discernment. Um, so all this stuff is going on with these individuals, man. And then I get my vehicle back, and now they have to do the water pump. They have after they did the water pump and the radiator and the timing, change the time, replace the timing mechanics. Then I get it back, my radiator. It has rust all in it, bubbling through. All of that stuff from the 26 all the way up to today. All of that stuff been filtering through my system. All that rust, and that damages the engine. So as my Nick said, we do because man, look, y'all need to put oil in this loaner because what is it? Because what I'm saying, I'm not trying to be charged, understand, for this going down. Y'all should have had that in there before. We repair engines too. So like so it's like you gave me that vehicle just so that you can, you can say something was wrong with it when I brought it back, so that you could try to charge my warranty people for an engine to fix the engine. They were hustling the whole time.